Facing a dead car battery but don't know how to jumpstart it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's a tutorial on how to jumpstart your car. First, you'll need a pair of good quality jumper cables and a working car to connect your dead battery to. Once you have got this, drive the car and park it as close to the dead car as possible. Open the hood and remove the plastic covers on the car batteries. Then, it's time to grab your jumper cables. The cables clearly marked, one in red, one in black. Connect the positive terminal on one battery to the other positive terminal with the red cable. Repeat the process for the negative terminals using the black cable. Two things to take note of when handling the cables. Number one, make sure you don't mix up and connect the positive and negative terminals together. Secondly, don't let the cable clamps touch when you are jump starting your car. Connecting the terminals wrongly will be costly. It might short circuit the electrical system of your car or even the donor car. Next, the donor car should rev the car at 3000 RPM. This will help replace the lost energy and give the dead battery a power boost. If there's enough power from the donor car, your car should start. If not, repeat the process with higher revs. Once you get your dead battery up, disconnect the cables and you're good to go. But before you keep the cables, give it a good inspection to make sure that it's still working properly. If the cables are hot or warm, it means that the cables are made of low quality materials and you should replace them with a good set. After you jumpstart your car, you should drive over to a trusted workshop at the soonest possible time to make sure that everything is working fine. Head over to our workshop at Sin Ming Auto City, Level 3, Unit 05 today.